Why is up and down?
Oh, where's the other one? Ah, that one, it can be folded, Langga.
Huh?
It can be folded. You can put it down or up. Mm-hmm. That's a nice bucket. It's like a bucket.
For my toys?
You can use it for your toys, or you can put water on it.
Put this water inside.
Yeah.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
water.
Eh.
The water.
No, that one is a lotion.
Hmm.
It's a lotion, that one.
But there's a water.
No, I said you want to. You're gonna put water on that bucket, the one that is not even.
This?
No, in the bucket.
This bucket?
Yes.
And lunchbox.
Enough washing
And
hands.
this lunchbox is here a robot.
Yes, small lunchbox.
It's really a robot. Olalas.
Oh la la.
Another robot. Another robot. Another meet you. A robot meet you, robot. Another I'm a robot.